Hello everyone, welcome back to Find the Origins. Evolution in coffee is never an accident. It takes hard work, deep research, and the courage to rewrite the rules of nature. Today we are going back to a familiar place. We return to the beautiful Western Ghats, the region rich in wildlife and nature. We are stepping back onto Ratnagiri Estate. Known as the Pure Like Mountain, Ratnagiri is safe haven for coffee shaped by thick silver oak tree. But under agricultural leadership, this historic farm is just more than beautiful land. It is a living laboratory. It is where family tradition meets modern science. You might remember Ratnagiri SLN9 variety from our past episode. Today, SLN9 is back, but it has evolved. It's now come in three different versions. At Ratnagiri, quality is design. They control everything from the rich sugar level of the cherry to the exact basis in use in the fermentation. And they use advanced trying method, including the strict darkroom technology, to lock the deep sweetness right inside the bean. The darkroom is high-tech climate control space. There is zero UV light. The temperature is strictly controlled and the humidity is locked at about 10%. Try slowly in the dark shop, the coffee forms losing its delicate aromas. It locks the deep sweetness and complex flavor right inside the bean. With our extremely light roast, we will take the Fargo structures. This let you taste the true magic of their science. We start with the first coffee, Ratnagiri SLN9 Natural. This is their classic natural process, elevated by strict control. The result is very deep and rich cup. You will take the intensities of cacao nibs, the creaminess of banana gelato, and a warm touch of cinnamon. Next, we move to the culture natural. For the two lots, Ratnagiri use a specific lab cultures microbes and lactic acid bacteria in closed tanks. The second coffee is Ratnagiri SLN9 RTYC. It's called for a specific lock called Carapata. The cherries was picked at a very high sweetness with a risk level of 26.2. The fermented for 52 hours in a nitrogen-rich environment. Then they try slowly for 27 days. This cup is elegant and soft. It starts with the clean scents of jasmine and red fruit flower. Then it leaves a gentle sweetness, just like a traditional white mooncake. The third coffee is Ratnagiri SLN9 RTYB. This one from the Godal Pata block. The cherry had a risk level of 25.4. They spend 48 hours fermenting, but this times in a carbon dioxide rich environment. After that, they try slowly for 29 days. This cup is a bright effulgence of flower. You will find the vivid taste in rose, the lushness of peony, and the clean finish of geranium. Three distinct flavors, one single variety, all shaped by pure science. But our laboratory partnership with Ratnagiri goes beyond great flavor. We keep working with the Ashok Pasra because his technology never harms the earth. Then, when you drink this coffee, you support family that helps nature. You will take to like a safe haven where coffee grows under 50% shade of a silver oak tree. You have a trick water treatment system that keep the local streams clean and pure. Most importantly, you are investing in transparency. Ratnagiri openly share their data and research with us. These audit leads make the whole supply chain stronger. It shows that the futures of coffee can work in harmony with nature, using smart data while creating good jobs for the local people. Ratnagiri SLN9 is more than just coffee. It shows how human innovation can protect the origins. This is an invitation to take the future. This is the original value we try to bring to you. This is Find the Origins by 43 Coffee. See you later.